Hey guys, welcome back to Cook Like Sasha. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a simple delicious dinner using Basa fish fillet, sweet corn, and string beans. If you wanna see how I make it, stay tuned. To create this simple delicious dinner, I'm using Rainforest Seafoods White fish Basa fillet. I'm also using Rainforest Ready corn on the cob. So these are sweet corn, they're already cooked and ready to go. For my seasonings, I'm using a tablespoon and a half of Badia complete seasoning. To that, I'm going to add a teaspoon of salt and a quarter teaspoon of black pepper, a half teaspoon of paprika, a teaspoon and a half of red chili powder to give it some spice, and a teaspoon of garlic powder and onion powder. I'm going to mix that all together with a tablespoon of cornstarch. What the cornstarch is going to do is to give it a nice crust on the outside and to ensure that the fish has a nice crispiness on the outside. So the fish has been washed and dried as much as I can dry it. Next, I'm adding some olive oil on top. This is going to help the seasoning to stick onto the fish. Next, I'm just sprinkling on the seasoning and then I'm going to rub it into the fish and ensure that I get it everywhere. Here I'm getting ready to blanch up my string beans. So what I do first is, of course, ensure that they are clean. Then I'm cutting off the ends. I'm going to set those aside and keep doing that. And in the meantime, I have some water that is coming to a boil. Once the water has come to a rolling boil, you're going to add the Rainforest Ready sweet corn on the cob to the water, as well as the string bean. To give it some flavor, we're going to add some Badia complete seasoning as well as a tablespoon of butter, and we're going to allow those to blanch beautifully for about 5 minutes. Then we're going to remove it from the pot and set it aside. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and remember to click that bell icon so you'll never miss another video. Let's get started on the fish. So to begin, I have a pan that is heating with about a half a tablespoon of oil. It's on high heat. You need to ensure that the heat is turned up high so that the fish does not stick when you add it to the pot. So here I'm adding my fish and I'm going to allow it to sear on each side until I get a nice deep brown color. Now that our fish is done, let's start working on that delicious sweet ginger garlic sauce. We're going to start off by heating up a tablespoon of butter, and to that butter we're going to add some minced garlic and some thinly sliced ginger strips. I'm going to allow that to cook for about 3 to 5 minutes until they become nice and softened up. And then I'm going to incorporate about a quarter cup of water and allow that to simmer for about 3 minutes. Next, I'm going to add some Grace sweet and spicy sauce. And oh my god, this is so good, guys. So good for your sauces and your stews. I added about 2 tablespoons of the Grace sweet and spicy sauce, and then I added a couple of lime wedges, and this just turn up the flavor to another level. Next, I added a little bit of lime juice, just a half a lime, and I squeezed a little bit of juice in the sauce, and then I allowed that to reduce a little bit until the sauce got a little bit thicker. And then guys, that was the end of the sauce. It was so delicious. It have that nice spice and heat from the ginger, and then the garlic just gives it a lovely flavor, and the gray sweet and spicy sauce just and the lime wedges, everything just this sauce a kick. It a boom, me I tell you. So there you have it, a nice simple delicious dinner that was prepared in under 30 minutes. Trust me, if you're on the go, if you're lazy and you just can't but you just want something nice, quick and easy to do, this is the way to go guys. The Basa fish fillet, easy to cook, and it's pre-sliced. You don't have to deal with like scaling or anything like that. The corn is ready to go. You literally just need to warm it up. The string beans, easy to cook, and the sauce was a breeze. If you guys happen to try this dish, let me know what you think of it in the comment section below, and be sure to tag me on Instagram at CookLikeSasha. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Let me know what you guys want to see next. If you have any suggestions, put them in the comment section below. And until next time, this is Cook Like Sasha. Bye guys.